Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is the most difficult woman to ever get arrested. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
On November 23rd, 2023, officers responded to a disorderly woman causing havoc at a Starbucks outlet. She was yelling at customers, misbehaving with the staff, and throwing cups on the floor. Here's what happened when the police arrived.
Come on, Nicole. Stop running.
Oh, it's getting active already, huh?
I don't trust you.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Nicole, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Don't fucking touch me.
Nicole, stop. Stop, Nicole.
Don't touch me.
Nicole, stop.
No.
You better comply. They're gonna hit you with that act right.
Leave me the alone. Leave me the Leave me the
Get her to the ground.
Ow. Oh,
Stop.
I swear to God.
Stop.
I swear. I swear.
act right.
I swear. I swear. I swear. I swear.
Stop.
I swear.
Man, smacked her on the concrete, boy.
Nicole, you gonna
You are the
stop.
Stop. Oh, for real. You don't know you. 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 I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to stupid. I swear to God.
Listen.
I swear to God. I swear to God. See, you thinking it's funny.
Nicole,
Fucking stop.
stop.
Roll over.
Let me get my feet.
No. Leave me
Nicole,
the alone.
stop. Turn around. You better
Turn
get
around.
tased. Turn around.
Yeah.
Unless you kill me.
Roll over on your
You.
roll over on your back now.
Roll over.
Nope, call this government.
Alright.
For this bitch.
Bro.
Stop.
Taser.
Get his ass.
Taser.
No.
Oh,
Swear to God.
oh, act right.
Give me.
They ain't do
Swear to
nothing.
God. Yo.
He said that's light work. That ain't do nothing.
No. Get the away from me. Roll over. Get the
Oh yeah, Sarge not playing. Sarge not playing. Sarge not playing. You better act right.
God. God. God.
She continued to make the arrest difficult for the officers by not complying with their commands.
God. God. Get about that. God.
Get her other one. Get her other one.
Stop.
Give us the other arm now.
No.
There you go. Get her other one.
Stop. Stop.
Give me your arm now, Nicole.
God. God.
19.
God.
10-4. Still fighting.
God.
Pull that one.
God.
There you go.
Possibly one
19, 10, 15.
God. 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 Stop. Stop, God. God, he's gonna do it again.
They got her bent like a pretzel.
No.
Copy 1015, 1447.
Oh, God.
Deployed taser,
God.
contacting medical.
Please. God, please. God, get away.
There was the taser I threw under the car. It got loose.
One of mine, Starbucks. Careful.
Ah.
Yeah, I started them.
Ah.
Everybody's on channel.
Ah. Why?
Are you coming channel? Yeah, boys, you coming? Yeah, 10-4, they're coming. Say channel.
Is it damaged?
Vehicle units, primary turning from 10-3, turning from 10-3 at 1448 SD 61.
Yeah. You want to talk to him?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Who called? Okay. Can I get your information?
As well. Yep. I'm assuming she'll be trespassed. Please.
Yeah, we.
You guys all okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
She 12. You got your ID on you?
I can grab it.
Yeah, she said she wanted to kill herself. To who? Wasdell or her?
Oh, she was threatening to stab people. She was harmed everybody in here. She was trying to fight. She was off the counter, off the shelves, and throwing our cups and.
Let's roll her over and sit her up. We're gonna sit you up, all right? Roll over. Roll over. Come on.
How can we assist?
There.
Sit up.
Sit up.
Sit up.
You know you're wrong. Get away from me.
I'm not doing anything to you. Come on. All right. As long as she's breathing, that's fine.
I know my boy and that, whatever it is, Volkswagen, Toyota, whatever it is, man. Dang, out of all the parking spots, man, you had to pick that one, man. She was smacking her foot all up against the side of the car. That joint probably got a couple dents in that. The way they had her bent up all crazy. Yo, her foot kept smacking the car like, yo, that car definitely got some. I know he's sick, bro. Probably like, yo, if that was me, I'm like, oh my God.
All right. People, stop fighting.
It's a nice car. Knock it the off.
Nope. You back the off.
They're out trying to fight.
That building.
They decided to restrain her because she wouldn't stop kicking.
I'll punch you in your face.
We're not punching in the face.
Stop. Do not kick the other officer. Do you understand?
Is that him or her?
Nope.
We can taser. We need just a hobble. Or just roll her over.
Nope.
Oh nah, my boy did. He just crashed out. My boy just crashed out. He said, "I will punch you in the face." Oh yeah, boy, you recording, man? You better be easy, my boy. Listen. You better be real easy. You know.
I'll punch you in your face.
Hey, we're not punching in the face.
Stop. Do not kick the other officer. Do you understand?
Is that him or her?
Nope.
We can taser. We need just a hobble.
That other officer trying to save him. Hey, we're not punching in the. Yeah, you trying to save him.
God, I'm pulling you.
Tell the demon to stop.
Yeah, there, down. Down.
Yeah, I block it right now.
Out.
I need a hobble. Hey.
God.
Do we want to move this car out of the way? Yeah,
There's a hobble.
taser?
Uh,
No, it's in the middle. It's right
There's a hobble on my front seat.
It's in the middle. It's the only way to
You do it for us? Why'd you take him out?
but that shit is
Let go.
Let go of the strap.
Let go of the strap now, Nicole.
bust that gun open.
Stop.
Hey, there's no reason to do what you're doing. Just comply with their commands and stop resisting. Your assistance is appreciated.
No. God!
She ain't trying to hear that.
You! I swear to God.
That's officer.
What the fuck?
Let go.
We got it. One she was on her back. I got her like double shot in the belly.
You got right in the tattoo, right?
So we got the two.
That's one there, right?
Yeah.
Don't touch those.
Yeah, this is the other probe.
This one is there.
Yeah, you got that one. There's one right there. Oh, there's another one right there.
Who else got it?
No, it was just me.
Okay, but I got so are these not two probes over here?
Yeah, and then, okay, I keep thinking you pointed to the one still stuck in her.
Okay, you got one,
Yeah, you need a removal.
2, 3, 4. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's going to get her up sideways?
And then get her up on the stretcher.
Get her up sideways. Good. Hold her down.
gonna go ahead and get her.
They ripped it open so they can do the nasal sound. So, no. John's got the other one. 1, 2, 3. I got that. Once your legs are secured, just sit around. One tough one, we'll do arms. Did you guys see what happened?
Oh, everything.
Okay,
The whole
perfect.
damn thing.
So, to say the least, right?
Did you tackle her?
No, I got here after.
Listen, they all need practice. They missed her on the first hit with the taser. They hit the ground. They couldn't even catch her. Listen, they need to all go to the gym over there. The 3 guys couldn't even tackle her. I'm going to sign you guys up for the gym over there, okay?
She's quick.
And then you all knew her by name, so you guys dealt with this. You guys should have already
Oh,
been
it seems
ready.
like you got everything figured out here. Maybe we should hire you and have you do it.
I'm not a cop.
You know, I'm going to cancel all of them and have you go handle that over there.
I'm not.
That sounds good,
I
right?
don't do your guys' job.
You're telling us how to do
Listen,
it.
I'll sit down and smoke a blunt and
Sounds
say,
like you want to run training, so...
She was
I just know
actually
you
wanted
guys
to
need some.
No, me? Oh,
Yeah, I'll talk to you.
What happened?
What? No, you tell me. What did you see?
What happened? How did this turn to me?
I'd rather talk to you than her. What did you see?
Well, she came in. She was a little bit out of control. She sat down next to me. She started talking to her friends.
Yeah.
Imaginary. Her friends. And she just was ready to fight everybody in the place. And then she, as time went on, she got more and more aggressive.
Gotcha.
And then she knocked over stuff in there and kicked over and threw boxes. And
Okay.
But I didn't see anything.
Okay. So, but you saw her in there just kind of tearing stuff up and getting crazy? Okay. All right. You got any
Wait. Don't. You finna call me to go to court or something like that?
No, just because you saw it, we're trying to...
Okay.
You know,
I
just
give
what
my
you saw.
Nothing.
But if I got to go to court, I'm going to be mad at you.
I'm talking to him.
See?
Don't tell him what he saw and what he didn't see.
I'm be mad at you. I was just saying if I have to go to court.
Don't tell me what to
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct, resisting officer with violence, involuntary examination and battery upon a peace officer. YouTube.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.